In front of me is TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. When you're ready, use this plus at the bottom left corner, and to add any photo, hit Gallery section and tap on the one you wish to attach. If you want to take it and add it, click on Camera section instead. Choose Photo, take a pic, and to add it to your message, use this check mark at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!